Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set sleep mode in the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This feature helps you manage your time on the app and reduce distractions during specific hours. Let's dive into the process. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. Tap on Settings to open all available options. After that, locate the Time Management section and click on it. Now, find Sleep Mode and tap to open it. Turn on Sleep Mode using the toggle switch. Then, click on the Time option to choose your preferred start and end time for Sleep Mode. Adjust the hours according to your schedule to make sure the app is inactive when you need it most. Finally, tap on Save to confirm your settings and activate Sleep Mode on your Facebook Lite app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.